Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the where clause in SQL. Okay, I have created a table called employee and I've inserted few rows. I have created one more table called employee underscore x and inserted a row. Okay, what is this where clause? Basically, where clause we will be using after the select statement. Okay, or you can use the where clause after delete or for update. So this is for filtering the data in the table. So now let us see few examples using where clause. Now we have different operators. Okay. Now let us say we want to select data from employee table. We'll say where first name is the column name. Okay. Now we are using this operator equals. Okay, so first name equals Ram. Okay, so this is the output. Now if we say first name not equal to Ram, okay, we got this. Now let us say if we don't know what will be the exact value, so I'll just say R percentage. So all the name that starts with R, or let me change this example, B, will show up in the result. See, we can give like, and sometimes if you want to select multiple values using where, you can give in. For example, where I'll say salary in, and I'll give two salaries. You can also give not in. Okay, so these are few. Then you can also use this greater than. This is let us say greater than 10. We want to know the employees who earn more than 20,000. So you can use this equality operators. And let me do one thing. Let me insert a null value. Null value. Okay. Now in this we will use is null. Where first name is null. So we'll see if there are any values as we had inserted that. Right now we will get the output. If in case it is null, if it is any number, you can give this operators, but in this scenario it was null, so you will get the output. You can also use is not null. That time you'll get all the other outputs which are not null. Okay, and in this scenario we'll see the scenario where we have now for example we have two tables, right? What we have created, one is employee and one more is EMP backup. Sorry, EMPEX. Okay, now let us say I want to select star from employee A where exists select star from EMPEX where first name equal to Shyam. See, what will happen is in case of exist, it will just see whether this query output is true. Okay, let us say equal to Ram, then you will not get any output because this query output is false. Let me try out one thing. A dot first name. See guys, what we have done is we have seen if there is an and like for example in employee X there was an entry called Sham Chandru. Okay. So we are passing this, we are checking in the X employee table, passing the all the employees that are present and seeing if it exists, and if it exists, if that employee exists, then we will be taking the output, seeing the output. Okay, so this is about exist. And let us say if you want to use an OR condition, where column salary equal to or salary equal to or salary equal to 35,000. Okay, we can. This is how we use or and logical operators. But we can use one more form of an operator called any, where salary any Okay, give me a minute. The query has an issue. So what was the issue is we have to put an equality operator. Okay, salary equal to any of 5,000 or 10,000. Now let us say how does sum work? it works exactly the same. And let us say how does all work. All is like an AND condition. It is not found. Why? Because you don't you don't have any record with salary as 5,000 and 10,000. It is never possible, right? So you can better option that will never be true. So this is all the operators we have in where condition. And as I said earlier, we can use where condition for all the DML commands, that is to delete a row from the table or to update the table and to select. Okay guys, that's all for where condition. For more such interesting topics, please follow our channel. And if you have any queries regarding SQL, you can drop an email. I have mentioned the email in the description so that I'll respond you back with the solution. Thanks a lot.